I once watched someone hand their friend a psychological thriller during an actual panic attack. "It'll take your mind off things," they said. It will not. It will just hand her a second source of adrenaline with a spine on it. This is the entire problem with anxiety reading lists on the internet. They are built for clicks, not nervous systems. The same 5 books recommended for anxiety, grief, heartbreak, everything, because whoever made the list never actually asked what anxiety specifically does to a reading brain. So what does it do? It speeds you up. Thoughts already racing, attention already in pieces, body already braced for the next bad thing. Hand that person a ticking clock thriller built to keep them reading out of dread, and you've handed them more of the exact state they're trying to climb out of. What actually helps is slower, not boring. Slow doesn't mean nothing happens. It means the sentences don't rush you and the writer trusts you enough to let a moment sit there. Interior fiction first. Plot almost beside the point. The real movement happening inside someone's head. Gilead by Marilyn Robinson, a dying father's unhurried letter to his son. The kind of sentence that makes you exhale and you didn't even notice you'd been holding your breath. Essays second. There's a small specific relief in finishing a complete thought and closing the book instead of an unresolved plot dragging you back at 1 in the morning. Joan Didion's essays work well here. Then comes poetry in small doses. Mary Oliver especially. 12 lines can hold an entire feeling. You get the recognition without needing the sustained attention a novel demands, which mid-anxiety you genuinely often don't have. And R.K. Narayan's Malgudi Days for a different reason. Small, contained stories where almost nothing catastrophic happens. When you're anxious, your nervous system is bracing for disaster. A book where the worst thing is a missed train lets your body practice being somewhere safe. What I'd never hand someone right now, anything where unresolved tension is the engine. Save the cliffhangers. Nothing wrong with them, just the wrong tool for this particular moment.